Hello students, welcome in this video. I am going to solve exercise 3.3 of 7th class from Cordova book. So in this video we will solve exercise 3.3. Alright, this exercise is related to division. You know the division process, but here we will solve the questions which involve decimal numbers. Sometimes numerator is in decimal form, sometimes the denominator, and sometimes both the numerators and denominators are in decimal form. Decimal means there is a decimal between an integer and a fraction part. For example, this is exercise 3.3. This is also a decimal number 3.3. तो जब भी आप किसी नंबर को इस तरह से बोलते हैं कि द नंबर इज़ 5.2, सो ये जो डॉट होता है इसको हम डेसिमल कहते हैं. ओके, इट सेपरेट्स द इंटीजर एंड फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल सॉल्व few parts of this question because remaining part will be the part of assignment. So the question is divide 2.5 by 10. It means it is 2.5 upon 10. Here I am going to tell you a very easy method. Write the write the numerator as it is, and in the denominator write 10, extra 10, because in the numerator there is only one digit to the right of decimal. ये डेसिमल प्लेस के राइट में हमारे पास सिर्फ एक डिजिट है, दैट इज़ 5. दैट्स वाई आई हैव रिटन 10 इन द डिनोमिनेटर, बिकॉज 10 में ओनली 1 0 होता है. एंड you can see that in the denominator there are total 2 zeros, 1 and 2. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी न्यूमरेटर है उसमें 2 डिजिट के बाद एक डेसिमल प्लेस कर देंगे. सो जितने भी जीरोज़ डिनोमिनेटर में होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग उतने ही डिजिट के बाद न्यूमरेटर में हम 0 प्लेस करते हैं और इसी से हमारा आंसर आता है. सो द आंसर इज़ 0.25. ओके, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. सो इफ़ यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन, the concept will be clear to you. Next is third part. It is divide 2.5 by 1000. Now see carefully. Remove the decimal of 25 and write 1000 as it is, but you can see that there is only one digit to the right of decimal, that is 5. तो हम denominator में 10 से multiply करेंगे. देर आर टोटल 4 zeros इन डिनोमिनेटर, 1 2 3 and 4. तो न्यूमरेटर में हम 4 डिजिट्स के बाद एक डेसिमल प्लेस करेंगे, बट देर आर ओनली 2 डिजिट्स, सो राइट 2 एक्स्ट्रा जीरोज ओके बिफोर 25. नाउ इट इज़ अ 4 digit नंबर एंड राइट डेसिमल हियर. सो द आंसर इज 0.0025. एंड आई थिंक आई शुड सॉल्व फिफ्थ पार्ट. ओके, the question is divide 3.79 by 100. So as I explained you, write 379 in the denominator, write 100. Again write one more time 100, because in the numerator there are 2 digits to the right of decimal. आप देख सकते हैं डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट्स हैं 7 and 9. तो हम डिनोमिनेटर में एक एक्स्ट्रा 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बिकॉज इट हैज़ 2 zeros. नाउ देर आर टोटल 4 zeros इन द डिनोमिनेटर, 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 4 zeros. सो न्यूमरेटर में हम 4 डिजिट्स के बाद में एक डेसिमल प्लेस करेंगे. देर आर ओनली 3 digits, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू 4 digit नंबर एंड पुट अ डेसिमल. सो द आंसर इज 0.0379. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चंस आर मच ईजियर. सो मूव टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Okay, second question, first part. It is divide 25.5 by 0.5. Listen, it is written as 25.5 upon 0.5. So how to simplify this? आपको डिनोमिनेटर को फोकस करना है. I am saying again, when we have the decimal in both the numerator and denominator, we will focus on the denominator only. Then what to do next? डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास डेसिमल के राइट में एक डिजिट है, इसलिए हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ इट इज़ सिंप्लीफाइड एज 255 upon 5. Okay, and if the division is necessary you can show in your fair copy, otherwise not. तो यहाँ पर इस डिवीजन आप रफ नोटबुक में कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन सी दैट द आंसर इज 51. सो आंसर ऑफ पार्ट फर्स्ट इज 51. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ second question. So it is third part of second question. It is 27 by 0.03. It means it is written as 27 upon 0.03. So according to the denominator there are 2 digits to the right of decimal. डेसिमल के बाद में 2 डिजिट है यहाँ पर, तो हम क्या करेंगे 27 अपॉन 0.03 इंटू 100 अपॉन 100. क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में 2 डिजिट्स हैं इसलिए हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे. फाइनली इट इज़ 2700 अपॉन इट इज़ 3. इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 0.03 by 100 you get 3 and easily we can divide this number by 3. You know 3 9s are 27, so write 9 and followed by 2 more zeros. So it is 900. This is the answer of third part. Okay students, note it down. Now it's the time to solve fifth part. So second question, fifth part. It is divide 2.73 by 1.3. So it is written as 2.73 upon 1.3. Now in the denominator there is only one digit to the right of decimal, so multiply by 10 upon 10. Finally it is 270.3 upon 13. Now it is important to show the division. Okay, जब हम 2.73 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास 27.3 आएगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 13 होगा. नाउ यू कैन शो द डिवीजन. सो फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस आई एम गोइंग टू solve it. Okay, this is a rough part, it is a rough work. So 27.3 it is 13. Now 13 2 ja 26, subtraction we get 1 and we copy this 3. Now 13 1 ja 13. I hope it is very easy. Listen, in the dividend ये जो भी नंबर है इसको हम डिवाइड करें, इसमें 1 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल है तो आंसर में भी हम 1 डिजिट के बाद एक डेसिमल प्लेस करेंगे. ओके, फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. सो द आंसर विल बी 2.1. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज आंसर ऑफ फिफ्थ पार्ट. सो इफ यू वांट दैट you should show this division in the fair notebook, no problem, you can show. Otherwise you can solve this in your rough notebook and write the answer. So note it down. Now we move to the next part. Okay, for question number third. Now I solve third question, first part. Okay, so this is divide 12.98 by 4. Okay, so in the denominator there is no decimal, it is only 4, so we have to divide in a proper way 12.98 by 4. Okay, so it is 4 3 ja 12, then copy this 9, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, it is 1 and it is 1, we copy this 8, so it is 4 4 ja 16. Okay, 2 and 0. Now it is 4 5 ja 20, so the division is completed. Okay, 4 4 ja 20. Now listen carefully, we have taken extra 0, it means we can write a decimal here. When we take when we consider 0, so we have to put the decimal, but we are dividing 12.98, so move the decimal to the extra 2 digits to the left hand side, because ये जो डेसिमल है ये ऑलरेडी 2 डिजिट्स के बाद में प्लेस हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पर इस डिजिट को हम 2 डिजिट ज़्यादा लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे. So the answer will be 3.245. Okay students, if you think you should show this division, you can do, otherwise it is not necessary. The answer is 3.245. Second part of third question. It is 36 by 0.4. okay, means we have a decimal number in the denominator, so multiply by 10 and also divide by 10. In the numerator it is 360 and in the denominator it is 4 only, and you know that 36 is divisible by 4, so it is 4 9 36 place one more 0. okay, the division and multiplication with 0 are much easier than other numbers, so the answer of second part of third question is 90. Note it down. I am going to solve next part, that is sixth. So it is sixth part of third question. It is divide 6.2 by 248. okay, very big number, 6.2 by 248, so it is 6.2 upon 248. okay students, so first we will divide 62 by 248, not a problem, then we place the 0 accordingly. See, so here you can show the division process, because numbers are complicated and the numerator is smaller, so I am going to solve the division process. Focus at the board and listen carefully. This is 6.2 and it is 248. okay, सबसे पहले हम 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे. okay, now 6 is a smaller number, so we will write 0. okay, 248 0 जा 248, sorry 248 0 जा 0, then 6 minus 0 is 6, then copy this 2 and you can see that there is a decimal before 2, just before 2. तो जब भी आप यहाँ पर 2 कॉपी करेंगे आप यहाँ पर डेसिमल प्लेस करेंगे. नाउ अगेन आफ्टर कॉपिंग दिस नंबर it is not divisible, write one more 0 and again write 0 here. So 248, it is 248 2 जा 496. okay, after subtraction we have 124. now 124 is smaller than 248, so write one more 0. okay, now it is divisible 5 times, write 5, write 1 2 4 0 and after subtraction we have 0. so our answer is 0.025. okay students, this is the answer, this is the answer 0.025. so in this question you can show the division in your fair copy. Note it down. okay, so this was the sixth part of third question. Now move to fourth question. It is fourth question. I am going to solve first part. So students, listen carefully. The question is 12 divided by 8, so it is 12 upon 8. Now there are different approaches. If you can show the division and if you are interested you can do it, otherwise there is a very important role of denominator. अगर डिनोमिनेटर को आप 10, 100 या 1000 में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं so it will be easier for you. So just simplify this fraction. okay, means we have to convert this fraction in simplest form. It is divisible by 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. The number is 3 upon 2. As you can directly write the answer, 3 upon 2 is 1.5 because 3 का half 1.5 होता है. Or you can show the division. Now I am going to solve question number 3, third part. okay, it is divide 135 by 2, so we can write this in the form of fraction. Now listen, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, अगर हम इसको 10 में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं तो डिवीज़न हमारे लिए बहुत ईजी होगा. सो यू कैन कन्वर्ट 2 इंटू 10 बाई मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 5. तो हम 5/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इन द डिनोमिनेटर इट इज़ 10, इन द न्यूमरेटर इट इज़ 5 5 25, ओके, and finally it is 675, and easily you can write the answer, that is 67.5, because डिनोमिनेटर में 10 है, 10 में सिर्फ एक ज़ीरो है, तो यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में हम 1 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल प्लेस करेंगे, एंड द आंसर इज 67.5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नोट इट डाउन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व फिफ्थ पार्ट. सो क्वेश्चन थर्ड, फिफ्थ पार्ट, इट इज़ divide 6 by 125. Okay, so you can see that 6 is a very small number in comparison with 125, and it is a very big number. So I am going to tell you two methods. Listen, मैं आपको दो मेथड बता रहा हूँ. जो मेथड भी आपको अच्छा लगे आप उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस ऑन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड टेबल्स, यू नो दैट अगर हम 125 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ये 1000 बनेगा. ओके, सो इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8. न्यूमरेटर बिकम्स 48, डिनोमिनेटर बिकम्स 1000, एंड according to the number of zeros, there are 3 zeros, so write the decimal after 3 digits in the numerator, 1 2 and 3. हम इस तरह से नंबर को 3 डिजिट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे and put a decimal over here. So the answer is 0.048. And in the second method you can just divide 6 by 125. Okay, so it is 6 125. It is smaller number, so 0 ja, okay, 125 0 ja 1 0 ja 0, it is 6. Now it is a decimal point here, so you can put a decimal here and write one more 0. It is not divisible, so again write one more 0 and copy 0 here. So you can see that 600 is divisible by 125 as it is a bigger number, so it divides 4 times and it is 4 5 are 22, it is 48 plus 2 50. Now after subtraction we have 100, take one more 0 and 125 8 ja 1000, okay, and remainder is 0, so the answer is 0.048. So I have explained two methods regarding this question and the answer is 0.048. Okay, note it down. Now students, we have solved 4 questions and there are 3 questions remaining. So I am going to tell you one more out of these, and I think I should solve 5th question. Question is very easy. It is given that the cost of 15 notebooks is rupees 142.5. Find the cost of one such notebook. Means the information about many is given, it is required for one, so we have to perform the division. Now it is, we have to perform the division, so divide by 15 and the dividend is 142.50. so we know that it is 15 9 ja 135. After subtraction we have 7, then copy this 5, and as there is decimal before 5 we have to put a decimal here, and we have 15 5 ja 75, okay. Finally we copy this 0 here, and 0 is not divisible by 15, so we write 0 in the quotient. The answer is 9.50, means 9 rupees 50 paise. So you have to write that cost of one notebook, cost of one notebook is rupees 9.50. okay. Now this is the answer. Okay students, so the question is very easy, note it down. I am going to solve one more question. Okay, it is the time to solve 7th question. This is the last question. you will solve the remaining questions which I didn't solve in this video. The product of two decimals is 32.396. If one of the decimals is 5.2, find the other. So you have to perform the division. This is question number 7. Then you will write this statement, find the other. So other number is, just write the numbers in the form of numerator and denominator. It is 5.2. As I explained you, if there is a decimal in denominator, multiply by 10 or 100 according to the number of decimal places. यहाँ पर डेसिमल के बाद में ओनली 1 डिजिट है, तो हम इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे. In this way, denominator becomes 52 and numerator becomes 323.96. Now students, you have to show the division process. Okay, so here I am going to solve this division for you. It will be convenient. 52 here 323.96. Now if you write the table, you can check this. It is 52 6 ja 312. Okay, after subtraction we have 11. Copy this 9. Now we have copied this 9 and it is a decimal place here before 9. So put the decimal place over here. Now 52 2 ja 104 and subtracting it we get 15. Copy the last digit, that is 6, and it is 52 3 ja 156. The remainder is 0. So the other number is 6.23 and you can write the answer as other number is 6.23. So this is the final answer. Okay, 6.23 is the answer. So students, finally we have solved this exercise 3.3 and the chapter is also finished. So I hope you will be happy because we are solving chapters one by one, and I am sure that you enjoyed this video. You understood the concept of division with decimal numbers. Okay, do practice regularly. Have a best day. Okay, good luck.